सडनली अमित जी का फोन आ रहा है, भाई मैं कर लेता हूँ यार, इतना कास्टिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, काला मैं कर लेता हूँ, वैसे भी दिन का 25-60 शूट कर रहा है मैं, तो फिर एक पिक्चर क्या प्रॉब्लम? अरे क्योंकि पर्सनालिटी नहीं है वो है ही नहीं। शाहरुख डॉन में देखा ना, काय पहन रहा है शर्ट के अंदर, कार्तिक आर्यन Not at all. You, what a chichora doll it'll be. Oh, fuck that.
I like the chichora Bandez beneath doll.
No, but
This
like
guy,
it has to be classic chichora.
as the terrorist. You put a chichora on you, please. That's what
Please do what you just did. What was your depiction?
But I don't know what it was. Just a reflex some. भाई अभी फरहान को जाना पड़ेगा, फरहान ही डॉल। He can write it now. He can write it to make it very.
Ivan. Raghav Juyal.
Nemesis of
Lakshay.
ये बैंड वाला ना, kill. Not
That's all I got. And I'm basing this on one ad that I saw him in for Sting. That's it. That's all I'm basing this on.
Yeah, but Don is a slightly older guy also. I don't want somebody in their 20s playing. And for the most Vicky Koshan still looks young. Yes, so that everybody can concentrate around the corner and what is happening. And they've released this movie on National Cinema Day, where all the tickets were 75 rupees. So
What is
I
the
think
national?
that's why
When
the
is
movie
that?
made 3 crore.
Wait, when is?
AC की हवा खाने के लिए चल 70 रुपए तो दे देता हूँ मैं.
what the fuck is a national cinema day? Why we run out of days?
So India,
One second, guys.
National Cinema Day.
1 second. National Cinema Day dates are determined annually by Multiplex Association of India and have been historically announced in September. Though the exact date for 2026 has not been confirmed.
Fucking anywhere monopoly of multiplex owners get together and be like, let's come up with a day that we can celebrate it. ठीक है? आज popcorn सिर्फ 950 रुपए का देंगे। अरे सर क्या बात कर रहे हो? नेशनल सिनेमा डे है। इधर घर से थोड़ी लाएंगे लोग popcorn। थिएटर में खाएंगे।
Yes, मुझे पहले fit होने दो।
Crazy.
भाई इनकी तरह headship चल रही है, कहाँ कब निकलेगा जान के सबसे
They all get together। अच्छा बता अपने ये सब का लाइनअप क्या है? देख भाई ये पिक्चर है और ये भी है, ये क्या धोखा अराउंड द कॉर्नर, उसको डाल नेशनल सिनेमा डे पे, क्योंकि 550 भर के निकलेगा में तो कोई धोखा अराउंड द कॉर्नर नहीं।
People need to remember why cinema is important, and if they don't pay attention to cinema, ऐसा पिक्चर निकलेगा तो याद रखो तुम लोग।
But why is this a masterpiece?
Okay, so this is the story. There are so many twists. एक तो the character perspectives keeps shifting. Okay, like Weapons. Remember Weapons, the horror film? You see different character perspectives. The same scene over and over again. And this is like over and over again.
Basically,
So there are so many twists. It's like it's 10 Abbas Mastan movies on cocaine, and then they just like इसको 1 hour 48 minutes में हम लोग कैसे घुसा सकते हैं?
What?
Which is 1 hour 48 minutes too long according to me.
But क्या? What is the plot in one line?
Then I cannot.
Okay, plot
This is-
in-
Okay.
Plot in 3-4 lines.
Okay. So there is a couple, Madhuvan and
Kushali.
Kushali. So she
At full volume in the
and
background.
then somebody realizing that hey,
which also
कहीं पे हो क्या that? And then he felt it.
Tera building,
Yes.
which happens.
Of course it
By the
does.
way, which happens. Somebody comes up to him and says, "Sir, ये आपका घर है क्या?" पहली बार तो तेरे को पता कैसे इसका घर है?
You know what? Where else they do this? You know where else they do this? कि a character is at a bar or a restaurant,
Yeah.
and restaurant is playing the news.
Yeah.
Which bar have you gone to, bro? Every bar I have gone to, they are playing the movies, and like people are
No,
just.
one second. Which
dancing
bar have you
on
gone to
screen.
that they're playing a fucking movie?
I'll tell you. I've gone to Pachu bar.
हाँ पांचों बार में होता है. So it's just
पांचों
things
बार-
that are happening. It's a Z music or
That's a
something.
barber
and
shop.
It's a muted
Yeah.
music कुछ और चल रहा है बार में, and people are just some Bollywood dances going on.
Yeah, it's a, like remember CVO?
हाँ
सीधी
सीवी और सुबह 4 बजे
बजे नहीं
कुछ और
भाई,
हुआ।
रात को 11:30 के बाद ही 4 बजे तक कौन जागा?
Police rush into the house. They bang. Like Malik fucking kicks the door down, and
Wait,
they
what?
see.
Pause.
Uh,
Thakur, they see 3 gunshots. Malik breaks the door down. They see. What could they see? Pause.
All 3 are dead.
Madhavan is alive, and Hakgul and this one are
I think
dead.
लड़की is going to be alive क्योंकि वो भूषण कुमार की बहन है और उसके डेब्यू व्हीकल में वो उसको मार नहीं देगा.
Oh, beautiful deduction. Wait, so then she is the actual hero. Wait. She has killed Hakgul and
Shot herself and then her and Malik are going to escape together to London. ये तो असली प्रमोशन है मलिक का.
all of your theories are wrong.
Oh shit, shocking.
What is the most obvious thing that could happen? So everything you think like this, and then it's like, what is the most obvious thing? He enters, and terrorist के हाथ में gun है, and Madhavan is holding his wife who's been shot 3 times.
तो माधवन ने बोला डिवोर्स नहीं दूंगा.
He doesn't resist. The terrorist he starts laughing. He starts laughing like the Joker, like full. And then it cuts to the court where Madhavan is giving his testimony, and Gul is still laughing. वो पागल हो गया पूरा. And he is declared insane and will be hanged after he is cured.
Oh. Okay.
And then
Okay.
they cut to then they do flashbacks. Now the movie goes into a series of
Wasn't this a
flashbacks.
climax? How did
This
you
was
do
flashback.
climax?
Because
Wait,
अभी
now
twist-
you will find
अभी-
out.
हाँ,
Wait,
this
now you will
is
find out
Ocean's
why
It's
everything was. Oh, now it comes. Now it
Okay,
comes.
so now it's a series of one-liners. I'll tell you क्या होता है. Okay.
Wait. Keep pausing. Keep pausing. We'll try to guess. Okay. Then.
Okay. So now
First
he goes into
flashback.
series of flashbacks. Flashback 1. After he's been arrested and put back in the police car, Malik looks at him and says, very good acting, Gul.
Very good acting. Good.
Very good acting, Gul.
Very good acting.
Very good acting. Good.
And then you see a flashback of why Malik says this.
Wait.
So Malik, bata.
So Malik. Wait. Thakur. Malik has caught Gul, who has apparently shot this thing, and he's laughing maniacally.
Okay, one clue. Why
One
did
clue.
Malik ask him to go to that specific apartment?
That's right. That was the clue.
Does he have a vendetta against Madhavan?
Oh
Does
no,
hate
he used to like this woman, but Madhavan आके he got
college.
married to Bhushan Kumar's sister और मलिक को कुछ